Yo, what's up, y'all? We're gonna go over this 4.5 linear equations of special lines. We kind of talked about this before with the horizontal and vertical lines. That's literally what this is, and we're just gonna kind of review over this today. So, all right. So we have y equals 3 here. So before we even start with that, there's kind of an acronym, and it's called HOY. H-O-Y. So H stands for horizontal. 0. O stands for zero slope. So the slope is 0. Y means y equals. So whenever you see y equals, whenever you see 0 slope, whenever you see that it's a horizontal line, all these other things are true. So we have y equals 3. We know that this will have 0 slope, and this is horizontal. All right, so what do we know about the y values in this equation? Well, they're all 3. So check it out. This table, we could have, negative 100, negative 5, 0, 1, 20. Any x value, don't get caught up in these specific ones. Any x value, the y value is always going to be 3. Okay. All right, so for the slope, well, the slope is m. The slope is 0 because, this Hoy thing, 0 slope. The y-intercept is going to be 3, so it's whatever number it's equal to. So what this will look like on a graph is this. It's just a horizontal line. So the x-intercept, there is none. So you're not going to have an x-intercept here. Describe the line, well, it's horizontal, and it is a function. All right. So if we write an equation for this line from m and b, well, this would be y is equal to 0x plus 3. 0 times anything is just 0, so we're left with y equals 3. So before I continue, I want to make sure that you rewind and replay that section because I probably talked really fast. I know I talk really fast when I'm on video, but the good thing about videos is that you can, rewind. So make sure you're pausing the video to write stuff down and you're rewinding to watch stuff again if you don't understand. Okay, and I'm going to continue. So now this is the other half of the acronym. So we had HOY, which is horizontal, 0 slope, y equals. This is VUX, V-U-X. V stands for vertical. U stands for undefined slope. And X stands for X equals. So it's the same thing with HOY. If you see any one of these things, the other two are true. So we see x is equal to negative 3. So that means this is going to be a vertical line, and it's going to have an undefined slope. So we know that all the x values are negative 3 for this. So we can just go down the line on x, and they're all negative 3. And it doesn't matter what y values we put here. So we could have negative 5,000, 2, 5, 10, and 10,000. They're always going to be negative 3. The slope, we said, is undefined. And there is no y-intercept because when we draw this graph, we're going to have a vertical line passing through x is negative 3. So it just looks like a line straight up. It never passes the y-intercept. So what's the x-intercept? Well, it passes the x-axis at negative 3. It's a vertical line. And it is not a function. Remember the function of the vertical line test thing? This does not pass that. So we can't actually do this. We can't write this in slope-intercept form because m, our slope, is infinity. It's undefined. And we don't have a b. So this is kind of a unique case, that x is equal to negative 3. So here are some examples. We need to write an equation of the line. So this is horizontal. So it's going to be a HOY, horizontal, 0 slope, y equals. And we're going to see what y equals. So this is going to be 1, 2, 3. So the line is at y equals 3. Okay, it's because it's 3 above the x-axis. And now this one, well, this is VUX. This is at x is at, so negative 1 here and negative 2. So we have a vertical line at negative 2. This is going to be x is equal to negative 2. All right, write the equation of a horizontal line that goes through this point. So horizontal is going to be y equals 2. And since it's y equal to, you're going to be like, well, what is y equal to? Whatever the y value is in the point. So right now the y value is 2, so it's going to be y equals 2. So write equation of the vertical line. Vertical line is x equals Vux. So Vux, so x is x equals. So it's going to be x equals whatever the x value is of the point. So x equals 2. All right, so as you can see, we have a whole bunch of x values at negative 60. So this is just going to be x equals 60. And then let's go ahead and graph these two. Here's my coordinate plane. So x is equal to negative 2. Let's go ahead and graph that in red. So this is Vux because it's x equals. So we're going to have a vertical line at negative 2 right here. And then y equals 4. Well, that is a horizontal line because it's hoi. So y equals horizontal, 0 slope at 4. So we're going to go up 4 and have a horizontal line. All right, I know that was super fast, so please watch this video more than once and then go ahead and do the assignment for today. All right, I'll see y'all later.